Welcome to this month's General Engineering Pro News Roundup. My name is Melissa and here are our top stories. Research from the UK government's Living Laboratory suggests water from underground former mine sites could be a viable renewable heat source. Opening 6 months ago, the lab was set up to study thermal and hydrogeological interactions between 3 schemes in Gateshead, using mine water to heat local buildings and council-owned homes. The UK's Mining Remediation Authority estimates that around 25% of homes and businesses sit above former mine sites, so the laboratory's data could start more exhaustive research nationwide. US Olympian Gabby Thomas has signed a 3-year deal with Babson Diagnostics to promote their Better Way blood testing service. The service enables people to give a fingerprint blood sample by visiting a retail pharmacy or clinic instead of a doctor's office. The test takes a smaller than usual sample and covers 60 individual blood tests. Currently, the tests are only available in the Olympians' hometown of Austin, Texas. Thomas, who has an undergraduate degree in neurobiology and global health from Harvard University and a master's degree in public health specialising in epidemiology from the University of Texas, said, "Improving the patient experience matters because when people feel comfortable and supported, they're more likely to follow through with care." Indonesia's first tidal plant is on the horizon as HydroWing signs an agreement with one of Perusahaan Listrik Negara's subholdings. HydroWing, the tidal energy division of Indonesia Marine Energy Group, will collaborate with PLN on the 10 megawatt project's licensing process plan and conduct social and environmental studies. Indonesia Marine Energy Group Chief Executive Richard Parkinson said, "Indonesia is seen as a prime market for our innovative tidal energy technology. Indonesia has amongst the best tidal potential in the world due to free flow of marine currents from the Pacific Ocean to the Indian Ocean." UK oil company BP has made its most significant discovery in 25 years with an estimated 500-metre oil and gas column in the Santos Basin off Brazil. In a statement, BP said, "This is another success in which has been an exceptional year so far for our exploration team." Further testing will take place to get a better understanding of the discovery. Potentially the largest wind farm in the world will be built in Scotland after SSE Renewables was granted permission to build a 4.1 gigawatt offshore wind farm off the East Lothian coast. The wind farm Berwick Bank has been in development for a decade. SSE says it could create around 4,650 jobs in Scotland and 9,300 jobs in the UK overall. Currently, the largest operating wind farm in the world is Ørsted Hornsea 2, located in the North Sea with 165 turbines and a 1.32 gigawatt capacity. However, its Scottish rival is expected to have 307 turbines with 2 grid connections, one in Scotland and the other in England, making it the largest in the world. Finally, a 2012 tugboat in Singapore has become the nation's first to earn a biofuel-ready status by Bureau Veritas after modifications as part of the Marine's offshore decarbonisation efforts. The project, which saw the tug undergoing a retrofitting procedure to its tank and additional crew training, has successfully demonstrated the ability to adapt existing fleets of biofuel operations efficiently to future-proof them ahead of the tighter environmental regulations. That's all we've got time for today. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn at NES Fircroft for your daily dose of engineering news, career advice and job vacancies. See you next time for our Engineering News Roundup.